Hey there, beautiful people. I hope you are having a beautiful day. In this video, I will show you how to design a beautiful header in Wix Studio from scratch. So I'm going to show you how you can maximize your sales, your SEO, accessibility, and user experience, and use different functions of Wix Studio to design a beautiful header. For this tutorial, I'm going to design the header from scratch. So for that, you have to first add a blank section. Okay. So in Wix Studio, you can actually design a blank section into a header and then set it as the global header. So it's very flexible. What I'm going to do next is just go to add elements, go to my layout tools, and go to the section grids. I want to split this entire section into different cells so I can assign each cell to different element. And for this one, I need a header. So I'm going to go here and look for a good design. So let's go with this one. Okay, so this one right here will be our top bar. Let's do it like this. And these will be for our menu and other elements. I will further divide this cell into more grids, more cells. And in this section, I will add the cart and the login bar. So go to add elements, go to your store, and here you will find the card icon. So just drag and drop it like this. Okay, so this is your cart. Make sure to align it properly and dock it to the right side as well. And the next thing we're going to add is the login bar. So go to your community tab, and here you will find the login bar. So just go ahead and drop it like this. First, let's set up the login bar. I just want to show the avatar, and let's resize it like this. Align it vertically. And the next thing we're going to do is stack these two elements together. To do that, hold Shift and select both these elements, and then click on Stack. This will keep your entire structure together. Let's resize the cell to make sure we have enough space for the menu. In this cell, we are going to add our main menu. So go here, go to your menu and search, and let's add a menu right here. Make sure you align the menu and set this to relative width, fixed, or stretch. I will personally recommend using the relative width, and in the layout, set it to scroll. Okay. If you are using the responsive behavior relative width, the scroll is a much better option. Okay, so this is the main menu. In this cell, I want to add a vertical menu to showcase all my product categories. This will be really good for increasing the accessibility score, internal linking, and the user experience. I want to make sure all the people who are visiting my website can access my product categories from any page they want. Okay, it's really good for increasing my sales as well as website ranking. So I'm going to go to add elements and go to menu and search. And this time, let's choose the vertical menus. You can also use the horizontal menu and then use the mega menu. Okay. But for this case, I am just going to go with the vertical menu, or let's go with the horizontal menu. Go to the menu here and go to manage site menu. And here you can add your new menus. So I have already added one. I'm going to choose this, add item, either submenu title or mega menu. So let's go with the submenu for this one and call it categories. If you have like 3 or 4 product or want to show specific products, your bestseller, let's say, then you can use the mega menu as well. But I want to showcase all my product categories, so I'm just going to go with the simpler method to increase my performance. So add item, go to dynamic and add pages, and add a product category like this, and move it beneath the product categories. Let's remove this from here. Let's add more product categories here. Move it beneath the categories as well, and do the same for other category link. You can do the same with your booking categories, your blog categories, or practically whatever you want. You can use them right here. Okay, so let's go with these 4 for now. This is just for illustration purpose. I'm going to resize this product category, and let's design this menu a bit as well. So let's align this in the center, and I don't like these corners, so I'm going to remove it. Menu items, corners, and 0. Okay, let's also change the color of this entire cell to give it a distinctive look. And let's remove this border. All right, so this is the header here. Now on the top cell, I want to add a search bar. So I will go to my site search in the menu and search and add a search bar right here. Let's align it to the center. And let's also add a little bit of margin. So 5 pixel on top and 5 pixel on bottom. You can also use 10 or 15, whatever you want. But I think 5 is good. Or let's go with the 10. Yeah, 10 is much better. Okay, so this is our website search. Now, another element we can add here, and we should add here, is the mobile number. So I can go to my text. Let's add heading 6. Set it to hug. And you can add your mobile number right here. You can also add your announcement. You can also add your social channels or whatever you want. But practically, we have converted this entire simple section into a header. Okay, so I have all the product categories. I have the menu. Um, let's change the layout of the submenu to fly out. This looks much better. The alignment is good. So let's leave it at that. Okay. Okay. So these are the product categories. These are the menu. You can use the search bar, your phone number, the login bar, add to cart, and so on. Now, the most important thing here right now, this is not a header. Okay. In order to make this a header, you have to first convert this entire section into a global section. And in order to do that, you have to first take this section into onto the top of your page. Right now, you cannot convert this into a global header. So if you go to this option, set as global, you only have the option section. Okay. If you want to make this a header, you have to first make sure that this section grid or simple section is on top of the web page. So drag it like this. Don't get confused here. This element is actually a pinned element. You can see here. So pinned elements are on the top of the web page, but this section is on top of all the sections. Okay. And now if you go to the set as global option, you will see the header. So set this as header. Now if you go to the top of the page, you will see that your simple section has been converted into a header. Okay, so this is my login bar, the tab, the cart, and all the menu links and the product categories. Okay, now you can also add your mega menu and showcase different products as well. I think for this cell, the background color should be much lighter, something that matches the hero section. So let's go to the inspector panel, select the cell, and set the background. Let me actually copy the color. Right. So now this looks much better. All right, so this is how you can create a menu in Wix Studio. Now you can work on different elements, the colors, the overall feel, and everything. But yeah, this is the basic idea. You can design your header as a simple section, then convert it into the header. Okay, so that's it for this video. I hope you learned something. Thanks for watching.